Message ko sa inyo, 12 Noethers, I hope na ma-reach nyo yung dreams nyo when you reach your college years. And sana kahit anong gawin nyo, basta do your best in everything that you can do. Kayang-kaya na lahat yan.
Message ko, hindi pa ba yun yung message? Ayun, aalis na kayo sa Miriam. Yung iba sa Miriam pa rin. So, yun. Sana, I say this to my other students din, that high school should not be the best years of your life. Kasi, of course, life should get better, of course. But, ayun, good luck on your future endeavors. Ayun. Maraming salamat for 1 year and God bless you.
For my 12 Noether class, my message is good luck in your college life. Always maintain your focus. And after 4 years, I hope to see you successful in your chosen field.
Message to Noether. So do well in college. Don't forget what you've learned in MC. And dapat lahat kayo graduate. Sabay-sabay ng college. Hindi naman sabay-sabay syempre 5 years or 4 years. Pero guess nyo na yun. Okay.
So congratulations to all your achievements. Congratulations to the officers for doing their best to do everything so that no student will be left behind in that class. I appreciate all the efforts that you do to your teacher, Sir Dan, and I hope that when you go to college, you will always be as unified when you have your reunion. Remember that your friends in high school will remain your friends forever. Okay. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Hi. First, I would like to thank everyone for making my 4th year of teaching really memorable. You're part of it. Lahat kayo actually. And aside from thanking you, I really hope that you learned a lot from me and magamit niyo yung mga natutunan niyo. Kung meron man kayo natutunan. And one day gusto ko babalik kayo and then going to say something like, "Sir, I did something good because I learned something from you." But this message is not about me, it's about you. And then if ever I did something, I'm sorry. Most especially yung last day natin na hindi ako nakapunta. Sorry kasi I need to have a brown bag here in my face. So, yeah, sorry. Pero yan, alam ko na all of you will go a long way. All of you are bright, inquisitive, and very intelligent students, very talented ladies. So I know that you will be successful in whatever that you do. So, yun lang. Do not forget to pray to God, to ask for help, whatever you want. Siya lang makasagot niya. With that, once again, thank you and happy graduation.
Okay, message ko sa inyo, ako laging dalawa lang yung message ko eh. Okay, first yung maging magaling kayo. Things kung saan mang larangan ang gusto nyo. Kung gusto nyo maging doktor, dentista, engineer, maging magaling kayo. Pero yung galing, dapat mayroong kakambal na bait. Magaling, saka mabait na. Okay. Yung mabait, ibig sabihin, kung doktor kayo, or nurse kayo, or engineer, or entrepreneur, skilled kayo pero mabait din. Ibig sabihin, alam nyo mga pagkabata-tao, yun ang mahal sa buhay. Dapat magaling ka.
Message for Nether. I don't know when exactly you'll be seeing this video, but I hope that wherever you guys are, you are doing well. And sana wag niyo makalimutan yung pinagsamahan ng class for a year or so. And lalo na sana wag niyo makalimutan na naging teacher niyo ako. Kasi syempre ako, hindi ko makakalimutan na naging estudyante ka. Special mention daw kay Ann Abo. Hi, Ann. Okay, so, yan. So, di ko alam kung kailan yung mapapanood to or if I'm around pag pinapanood nyo to. Pero what I will say or what I want to say to you guys is that I will really miss our class. Okay, so, the next section that I will handle, whoever they may be, will have a very high bar to meet up. What else? I hope na kahit saan kayo mapadpad, kung anong school kayo papunta, that you won't forget that for one school year, we were together. Ang ingay, no? Nag-ano ngayon eh. Nag-interrupts kasi ngayon. Ano pa ba? Yun, sobrang mamimiss ko kayo. For sure, i-compare ko yung next class ko sa class nyo. Kasi, yun yan, usually, pati din nung nasa atin ako, yung third class ko yung best na nangyayari. I don't know kung ano naman nangyayari for the next few years. I hope na magpakabait kayo, alam niyo na kung sino kayo. Huwag niyo sayangin lahat ng opportunities na binigay sa inyo, lahat ng natutunan niyo, sana magamit niyo. And if ever there's anything that you need, just know that if I can help, then I will do my best. I will do the best that I can. Yeah. So even though you're not my students anymore and I'm not your teacher, I'm still there to help you in any way that I can. And yun, speaking of that, on that note, I guess, yun, forever imprinted na yun sa atin na for one school year, 10 months or so, ako yung naging teacher nyo at kayo yung naging estudyante ko, at nobody can ever take that away or hindi mabubuo na yun. Okay, so maybe on the last note, I don't know kung maalala nyo, but it feels like it was just yesterday when we first stepped in these doors. Ayoko kumanta. Okay, so my dear nether women, saan na kayo pumunta after this, okay, just know that I am forever grateful that you were my students, even for the Fest 2020. Okay, so Sir Dan, signing off.